When viewed from space, only about 30% of Earth's surface is land. The rest is a vast expanse of water known as the ocean. Hidden within this immense body of water lie the deep seas, and among them is the Mariana Trench, the deepest known point on our planet. Here, life changes drastically. Sunlight can no longer penetrate the depths, creating an environment of total darkness. Strangely adapted and often terrifying creatures have evolved to survive under such extreme conditions. Some have even developed the ability to produce light from their bodies, a phenomenon known as bioluminescence. In this video, we'll explore the secrets of the Mariana Trench, how life has managed to survive at Earth's deepest point, and how humans have uncovered one of the most extreme frontiers of our planet. The Mariana Trench is one of the deepest parts of the global ocean, reaching a depth of about 10,934 meters, 35,876 feet, below sea level. But it's not a single hole. It's a vast, crescent-shaped trench stretching over 2,500 kilometers, located in the western Pacific Ocean between Japan and Australia. The deepest point is known as the Challenger Deep, a mysterious zone where legends such as the Megalodon are said to have once roamed. For decades, this abyss has captivated human imagination, challenging both science and exploration. The pressure at the bottom of the Mariana Trench is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level, equivalent to the weight of 50 jumbo jets stacked atop one another. Only a handful of people have ever reached this point, using specially designed submersibles capable of withstanding such intense pressure. The trench was formed through a complex geological process involving the movement of Earth's tectonic plates. The Earth's outer crust consists of about 7 major plates that are constantly shifting. As molten rock from beneath Earth's mantle surfaces through mid-ocean ridges, it creates new oceanic crust. Older, denser crust eventually sinks beneath adjacent plates, a process known as subduction. This subduction zone between the Pacific Plate and the Mariana Plate is what formed the Mariana Trench. Descending into the trench feels like entering an alien world. The deeper you go, the darker it becomes. At certain depths, no sunlight penetrates, forcing deep-sea creatures to evolve in extraordinary ways. Many develop oversized eyes to capture the tiniest specks of light. Others generate their own bioluminescent glow to hunt or communicate. Some species have enormous jaws, allowing them to devour almost anything they encounter. Our understanding of the trench, limited as it may be, has been made possible thanks to courageous researchers and deep-sea explorers. The first major expedition to measure its depth took place in 1875 by a British ship named the Challenger. Originally headed for Guam, the vessel was forced to change course due to stormy weather and ended up in an unknown region between Guam and Palau. There, the crew lowered a weighted rope, which descended deeper than anyone had expected. They recorded a depth of 8,183 meters, shocking the scientific community of the time. Not only did the Challenger measure the depths, it also collected samples from the ocean floor, including fossilized teeth from the massive prehistoric shark Otodus megalodon. These findings inspired even deeper oceanic explorations. In 1960, explorers Jacques Picard and Don Walsh embarked on the first manned mission to the trench's bottom in a specially designed submersible called the Trieste. The cramped, pressure-resistant vessel took 4 hours and 48 minutes to descend to the seafloor at nearly 1 meter per second. Along the way, extreme water pressure caused one of its observation windows to crack at 9,000 meters. Yet they continued, ultimately reaching a depth of 10,911 meters. They spent just 20 minutes at the bottom, but what they saw was extraordinary: decaying diatoms, signs of life, and even a flatfish swimming by, proving that life could indeed survive under such crushing pressure. In 2019, explorer and entrepreneur Victor Vescovo achieved the deepest recorded dive to 10,927 meters, using advanced technology to document life at various depths, even spotting a previously unknown species of amphipod and observing eerie, glowing creatures that defy conventional biology. The ocean is divided into 5 major depth zones. The photic zone, 0 to 200 meters, is where sunlight penetrates, allowing diverse marine life to thrive. Here, plankton photosynthesize, fueling the ocean's food web, supporting everything from tuna to whales. Humans also exploit this zone for fishing, tourism, and research. Below that lies the twilight zone, 200 to 1,000 meters, where sunlight fades and darkness begins. Bioluminescent jellyfish and giant squid, once believed to be legendary krakens, dwell here. This zone contains about 20% of the ocean's total volume and is eerily quiet and slow-moving. Because photosynthesis can occur in these darker regions, food sources are limited. Much of the life here depends on marine snow, a continuous fall of organic material from the upper ocean layers. Among the creatures that thrive here are jelly-like zooplankton that drift with the current, as well as predators like the goblin shark. This bizarre deep-sea shark has a long, protruding snout and special sensory organs called ampullae of Lorenzini, which detect electrical signals in the water. It can extend its jaw forward rapidly to catch prey. First discovered via fossil evidence in 1887, goblin sharks are believed to have existed for over 100 million years. Next comes the midnight zone, 1,000 to 4,000 meters, a region of complete darkness. Here, life depends on chemosynthesis rather than sunlight, converting chemicals like methane and carbon dioxide into energy. Creatures like the deep-sea dragonfish dominate this level. Its enormous teeth and bioluminescent lure make it a terrifying predator in the abyss. Another bizarre inhabitant is the barrel-eye fish, which has a transparent head and upward-facing tubular eyes. What appear to be eyes on its face are actually scent organs, while its real glowing green eyes peer through its skull to scan for prey above. Finally, we arrive at the hadal zone below 6,000 meters, including the very bottom of the Mariana Trench. This environment is pitch black, near freezing, and under crushing pressure. Yet astonishingly, life persists here. One such creature is the Mariana snailfish, found at depths of 8,000 meters. Its body contains high concentrations of a molecule called piezolite, which protects its cells and proteins from being destroyed by the immense pressure. According to NOAA, only about 10% of the ocean floor has been mapped using modern sonar. Even then, the data mostly reveals geological features like ridges, plains, and trenches, not the life that exists there. In 2022, researchers at London's Natural History Museum collected deep-sea sediment and analyzed its DNA content. Shockingly, around 60% of the DNA didn't match any known organism, not plant, animal, or microbe. This discovery emphasizes just how little we know about Earth's oceans and how much more mysterious and alien they remain compared to outer space. The mysteries of the Mariana Trench continue to challenge what we think we know about life on Earth. With each new expedition, scientists uncover creatures more bizarre than the last, many of which defy classification. From bioluminescent predators to jelly-like organisms that drift with deep-sea currents, these alien-like life forms prove that the ocean floor is one of the last true frontiers of exploration. As technology advances, so does our ability to uncover the secrets that lie in the crushing blackness of the hadal zone. Who knows what undiscovered species or ancient evolutionary secrets still await in the shadows? If you found this deep-sea journey fascinating, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts or questions, and share this video to support the growth of our channel. Subscribe to Paleo Insights for more incredible stories about prehistoric life, mysterious ecosystems, and the hidden wonders of our planet. Your support helps us dive even deeper into the unknown.